Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This is really a rare car and has a great story. Unfortunately, the owner's not around. That's a 390. So this is a 1968 Mustang California Special, and I'll post a couple pictures at the end of the video. But it's a California Special Mustang. There you can see some additional information they have. And again, I'll post a couple pictures at the end, but it's a Mustang GT CS, and it's in Bonnie blue with a black vinyl top, black side stripe. And this car was shot up. It had over 200 bullet holes in it and a marital dispute. There's a California Special. There were only a little over 4,000 of these made, and this one got shot to hell and then sat in a field. It was sold at an auction, I believe, at the sheriff's department, sat in a field for 15 years, and then it was restored in Boise, Idaho. And here it sits in Hannibal, Missouri. Great looking car. And unfortunately, the owner isn't around. But just love that California Special. I've never seen one before. Very unique. Very unique car. Love the wheel and tire setup. I wish I knew more about the wheels. And it is a four speed. And it's got a 390. What a beautiful interior. Love the color combination. And so from reading the information, it's purely cosmetic. So it's not nothing additional was made to it, put in it and gave it any performance. It's just all cosmetic. And again, I'll post a couple pictures at the end of this video to show the information that you see on these placards. Extremely clean.